Now, good morning, students. Today I am going to start LCM. LCM means, as I have written here, the meaning of LCM is least common multiple. Common multiples आपने पढ़ा है. Common multiples किन्हीं भी दो नंबर्स के या दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स के बीच में हम निकालते हैं. Here, LCM of two or more numbers is the lowest of their common multiples. It means if two numbers are given to you, first of all you should know what are the common multiples between these two numbers, and after that finding out the common multiples, the lowest one, the lowest common multiple is said to be the least common multiple or LCM. Okay, this is the first method, and the second method is LCM by prime factorization. Now, prime factorization, as I told you in my previous class, prime factorization means factors which are prime only. So, here I start with an example. Two numbers are given, 84 and 96. I am going to find out the LCM of these two numbers by the method prime factorization. So first of all, what I do, I just find out the prime factorization of 84. As you see, the number is 84, the unit place digit is 4. Therefore, this number is an even number. So I start divide by 2. I start by 2. So 2, when you divide 84 by 2, you will get 42. Now again this is an even number. फिर से हम 2 से करेंगे. 21 आ गया. 21 2s are 42. 42 2s are 84. So now 21 is an odd number. So 21 जो है वो 2 की टेबल में नहीं आता. It is an odd number. So आप देखोगे ये 3 की टेबल में आता है and 3 is a prime number. So I can divide this by 3. 3 sevens are 21. Now 7 is a prime number. It has only two factors, 1 and 7. So I divide it by 7 itself. 7 ones are 7. So this is the prime factorization of 84. Now I am going to do the prime factorization of 96. As you see, 96 again, this is an even number. So I will start by 2. Divide it by 2. 2 को 96 से divide करेंगे. Then what will come here? 48. Right? Now 48 again is an even number. So I divide it by 2, the smallest prime number. I have to find out the prime factors. So I will use only prime numbers here because we are doing LCM by prime factorization, and prime factorization में क्या होता है? Factors which are prime. So I am going to use only prime numbers here. So try मैं यही करती हूँ कि हमेशा हम छोटे से छोटे prime number से start करें, and the smallest prime number is 2. और 2 से हम 2 को हम तभी हम 2 से नहीं करते जब हमारे पास number even नहीं होता. When we have an odd number, then we find out कि ये 3 से जाएगा, 5 से जाएगा या 7 से जाएगा, then we will check it. Now 48 को 2 से जब आप divide करोगे, you will get 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 24 again is an even number. So again I divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 12 is an even number. Again it is divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. And 2 3s are, last में 3 बचेगा, 3 1s are. तो जब तक नीचे 1 नहीं आ जाता तब तक हम इसको कंटिन्यू करते हैं. राइट? नाउ अब हम इन्हें क्या करेंगे? The second step is write these numbers in the form of the multiplication of their prime factors. So 84 can be written as 2, 2, 3 and 7. यहाँ से आपने देखा 2, 2, 3 and 7. So multiply these prime factors. 96 के prime factors 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 times 2 है. नहीं, 1 2 3 4 5 times 2 and 1 times 3. So 96 2 2 2 again 2 4 times 5 times and then 3. Now please see carefully. Look here. Now I am going to encircle the common factors. I am going to encircle the common ones. Which are the commons? Now let us see. 2, these two are common, right? इनको circle कर दिया. Again, these two numbers are common. इनको हमने circle कर दिया, right? Then the next number is 3. 3 is also common here. ठीक है? So इसको भी हमने circle कर दिया, right? Now LCM. LCM में there is no need to write 2 times because they are common. These two are common, so there is no need to write it 2 times. I will write 1 time. 2 is common here and 2 is again common here, so I will write it only 1 time. So LCM is equal to, इसको हमने एक बार लिख दिया common, then this one there is no need to write it 2 times. Now these 3 again common, so I will write here only 1 time 3, right? So they are, now I have written here only common ones. Now I am going to write the numbers which are uncommon, क्योंकि LCM में you have to multiply the common ones and the uncommon. दोनों को हम multiply करते हैं, but common numbers will be written only 1 time. There is no need to write them twice. So the uncommons are 2. Uncommons are 7, 2, 2 and 2. So these are uncommon. Now I am going to multiply these common with the uncommon. 7, 2, 2 and 2. अब आप इनको multiply करिए. Multiply these numbers. आप इन सबको multiply करेंगे. Then the answer is 672. 672 will be the LCM of the given number. 672 is the LCM of these two numbers. Which numbers? 84 and 96. Similarly, you can find out the LCM of 3 numbers by prime factorization. अगर आपके पास 3 numbers होंगे, then you have to do this prime factorization of the 3 numbers here. Then find out the common ones like this, and then LCM means multiplying the common ones with the uncommon.